So now discuss about the how to promote video on the Twitter. So here I can go to the create a campaign. What the option call is promote video views. So here give the campaign name. Campaign does not change. First you can give the campaign name. After that daily budget and total budget. So my daily budget is $5. My total budget is $20. The ad will run by 4 days. Now will be start immediately, run continuously. I can give by schedule date 12th, end with 15th, 4 days. So here, click for next. So select your latest post, and I'm setting for 2 posts where we can show your ad. One is called profile and tweet detail page. Second will be search results. Where one is a profile, second and tweet detail page. Second thing is search results. Now click for next. See here. This type of card cannot be used by to campaign with the object. See here, they're showing one wrong here. What is that? Wrong. I'm not uploading any video into my Twitter post. Yes or no? He is already posted with the along with the link, not my video. So here, what is that? Create a tweet. So along with the video, just go to your what is that? Select video. So this is my videos are here. Select any one video here. I can give as a digital marketing. Hyderabad. So previous did not accept why? Not uploading any video into my Twitter. I can promote my video only for my Twitter video, not for the YouTube, not for the Daily Motion. You can upload by the direct video by the Twitter. How many minutes will you accept by Twitter video? 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Now click for tweet. Tweet is done. Now just refresh. So still is not updated here. Wait for a second. So I can post done by along with my video here. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. I'm adding with my places. Yeah, click for tweet. So previous they not accept my post. Reason is not upload any video by my Twitter wall or increase my views. Nothing but my uploading Twitter video. So here just is uploading going on here. Uploading going on here. Wait for a second. See here, this is my video. So just understand my post. What is that? Digital marketing course and jobs. Just go here. What is that? Digital course and jobs. Select this one. Click for next. So here, what is that? Clear? Now, this action will be selected here. So I can promote by the this video views. Just go here. What the option call is audience. Set for the all audience. That will be gendered, age wise, 13 years to up to you can set by the 54 years. Now you add with the platforms. Suppose you add by individuals. Select by all individuals. So we're not selecting for the this Individual one. They can set by all platforms. They are by the desktop and other mobiles. Everything. Now will be language English. So no need to career here. No device models. To clear first is the location, platforms and language. Now here, what is that? Interest maybe keywords. So I can write the keywords here. Digital marketing. Now here, what is that? Business marketing. Interest. Now behavior. Sales and marketing. No. Keywords is digital marketing. Here, follows look like. These are the relevant followers. No need. Here, now including your Twitter followers. Click for next. So that each view, how much will be direct the amount? Here only for $0.10. Now here, automatic bid per video view per 3 seconds for 100% view. 3 seconds or 100% view. So I'm clicking for 3 seconds to 100% view. When we will charge, not only just they will click view, 1 second will be dropped. It will be not charged. When we will charge for 3 seconds or 100% view only. There are two options. One is called for video view or 3 seconds to and 100% view. I'm selecting for the first option. Now click for next. So we'll check. Is my group budget, automatic bid, optimal preference none, audience targeting for select for 9 targeting criteria. See here, this is my post. So my campaign, start date, end date. My campaign daily budget will be $5. Total budget will be $20. What is the option called is? Launch your campaign. So campaign will be launched. So they go to where final mode will be payment options. See here, the payment. Just click here. What that? Add to access your account. We'll check the ad will upload or not. Go to ad manager. Running. Video is nothing but you can upload video by date into the Twitter. They support by the 2 minutes 20 seconds. It's clear. It's running. Now will be paused. Expire by the March 15th. So when adding amount, you will start your billing here. Suppose if you need to add the payment, what that? Add to new payment method. They accept by your only for credit cards. Only for credit cards. So this is where you're creating for the video